In this part of the training, we are going to be looking at how we get to install WordPress on our server. We can install WordPress on our server. That's install WordPress on our server using cPanel or by the use of local server. The cPanel is what we are going to be using in this particular training. The local server, installing from our local server, means designing the WordPress on our laptop, then transferring to our local server using FTP. We are not going to be doing that in this tutorial. We are going to be using cPanel, Softaculous, or one of the apps there, because it is very much easier for a beginner and faster. By now, they must have sent us our hosting details. Now you go back to the email which you register, and you are going to see something like this. Remember that we paid for fastdelivery.com, so you see something like this. Even if you're not using Namecheap hosting, any of the registrars hosting services you are using, you see hosting details will be sent to you. Now if you scroll down, you see this hosting package details. Still scroll down until you get to cPanel. Exactly, this is what you are looking at, cPanel details. Now you click on this. When you click on it, it's going to lead you to the cPanel interface like this. Good. And these are the username and the password. So you copy the username, go right here and paste it in, and make sure that there is no space left. You can ensure that by pressing your delete key on your laptop. Pressing the delete key on the laptop, then go down again, do the same for the cPanel password, copy it and paste. Then to remove formatting, delete again, then from your password and from your laptop, then you log in. You click on login, and it will lead you straight to the cPanel. Now this is how the cPanel looks like. Don't get confused if this is your first time. It's actually very easy. Now you see this Softaculous app installer. You could use this, or you scroll down and you get to software. Scroll down till you get to WordPress. See then here, which is the Softaculous app installer. You see it here, WordPress. You just click on it. So when we click on the WordPress icon from Softaculous, we are led to this particular screen. Now on getting here, you are going to see different options. This is the overview of the WordPress and dashboard after you must have installed it, and over here you see the features and you see screenshots and then demo and the rating. Don't bother with all of that. What we're interested in is install. We want to install WordPress. Then you see the different versions here. This is the latest version. Always make sure you install the latest version of WordPress, but for demonstration purposes, so that I show you, okay, you just click on it, the latest version, then that's choose version you want to install. Then you come here. If your site has SSL, then you choose this option, HTTPS. Now look at all the options we have here. HTTPS with www, then HTTP without the www, then you have HTTP without the X security here. Now for modern websites, if you intend your website to rank or for it to be viewable, not to be showing insecure to persons, these days you must have HTTPS. Now you can choose this option or you choose this. Now we're going to go with this. Put on that. This is the site. Now if you have installed, if you have other, okay, you see it for this particular site, fastdelivery.com, so you choose it. That's the option there. Then make sure that in directory it is empty. Don't have anything here. Now if you happen to have something like WP or anything alphabet here, make sure you delete it. It has to be blank, so you don't go and install WordPress on a folder. So you come down, scroll down, just leave all this for now. We are going to touch it. Enable multi-site, you don't want that, so you go down, then you come down in here, username, make it 1980. You are going to remove that later. All this, make sure your password is something. You see, I didn't hide it, but I'm going to change all these things. I'll show you how to do it. Now make sure that it is something you can remember for now. Then you have admin at faxdelivery.com. This is your admin email. I will show you how to get that done. Then you scroll down, this advanced function. If you click on the plus sign, you see all this your database information and stuff like that. Then we have dates added. We are not adding any of these. We have our own theme that we intend installing. They're very, very important. You come down here, your email, where you want all the details relating to this your installation to be sent to. You input it in here. You put it in there, then go. If everything is not properly done anyway, it's going to tell you. Now for correction purposes, let's just make it a previous version of WordPress. And so you go down and put it back. Believe everything, okay, it has changed because we made some changes. 1980. I just want to demonstrate how you update your WordPress to you. Then note this, admin. So everything is all tidy and good. Then you click on this install button. Now because I have a previous installation, it is going to show this. Because of a previous installation, an installation already exists as per our record. To reinstall this application, uninstall the existing application. That is not a big deal. So what you just do is, I'm doing all these things, I could just have led you direct there. Now what you just do is you come to overview and you go down here, you see this is the previous one, so you just click on it, remove, or you delete direct from here. So you just go and boom, it's gone. Do you understand? It's gone now. So you come back here and everything all over again. It's a good thing. So in case it happens, because sometimes you are going to have some folders in your directory and you have problem installing, so that is what you do. Same step again. Make sure your password is known only to you and something you can remember. Very, very important, so your site don't get hacked. Is it? WordPress install normally doesn't take time. Bam, we are done. So you go here, this your new WordPress website, the front end. On Fiverr, just to do this, something costs between $5 to $15 or more. It's not difficult. Then this is our back end. This is our back end. You go in there. Good. This is where we are going to be doing all our design from. So with this, we are going to come to the end of this, how you install WordPress on your server using cPanel. Thank you.